Today we are here with lecture number 2 of your chapter number 2, that is respiration and energy from food. In our previous lecture, I have told you at how do we breathe, how our respiratory system works, and how it helps us to accommodate in different environmental conditions. ठीक है, तो लेट्स क्विकली रिवाइंड कि हमने क्या पढ़ा था. बेसिकली जो ब्रीथिंग का प्रोसेस होता है, वी ऑल नो दैट कि रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम के क्या क्या ऑर्गन्स होते हैं, हाउ इट फंक्शंस. जस्ट टू समराइज इट अप, ब्रीथिंग के लिए वी हैव अ लंग सिस्टम जिसमें इंटरकोस्टल मसल्स होते हैं, डायफ्राम होता है. जो इंटरकोस्टल मसल्स होते हैं वो आपके रिब केज को कवर करते हैं. ईच रिब हैज़ अ सेट ऑफ इंटरकोस्टल मसल्स और बिलो इट देयर इज डायफ्राम. एज यू कैन सी इन बोथ द डायग्राम्स के डायफ्राम है. When you inhale, when you take air in, diaphragm pulls downward, helping lungs expand with oxygen. When you inhale, आपके lungs में oxygen जाएगी, diaphragm will pull downwards. And when you exhale carbon dioxide out, the diaphragm will move upward and forcing the lungs to repel and expel carbon dioxide. ठीक है? Now coming towards the diseases regarding respiratory system. Basically जो आपका आज का lecture है, it is based on the diseases regarding respiratory system. तो जो हमारी first disease है which we are going to discuss is influenza or flu. Influenza or flu is a contagious disease. It's a very dangerous disease in older times. I hope all of you have heard क्योंकि अभी pandemic चल रहा है. We all are very much aware about COVID-19. लेकिन बिफोर दिस देयर वॉज अ डिजीज़ विच इज़ इन्फ्लुएंजा जिसके अंदर भी लोगों को क्वारंटीन किया गया था. एंड इट वॉज सेम द प्रिकॉशंस वर टेकन सेम एज दे आर टेकन नाउ. तो इन्फ्लुएंजा इज़ ऑल्सो कंटेजियस. इट्स अ डेंजरस डिजीज़. इट्स फेटल एट टाइम्स. लेकिन क्या है कि इन्फ्लुएंजा जो है एट टाइम्स हमें वायरस से भी हो जाता है और एट टाइम्स इसके डिफरेंट कॉजेज़ होते हैं. और ये जो है जो इसका स्प्रेड है इट इज़ सिमिलर टू आई टोल्ड यू कि कोविड-19 के लिए जो वी आर टेकिंग प्रिकॉशंस एंड वी आर टेकिंग मेजर्स दे आर दी सेम एज इट वाज देन टेकन फॉर इन्फ्लुएंजा. तो एक्सपोजर टू पीपल एंड exposure to different things they cause influenza. Droplets from your mouth, nose. ठीक है. Now looking towards the symptoms of influenza. Influenza give us symptoms of moderate or high fever, dry cough, your cough is dry, you will get a headache, at times there will be a sore throat, you will get chills, runny nose, you won't starve, loss of appetite, muscle aches, tiredness, you will feel cramps in your muscles. ठीक है जी. अब प्रिवेंशन ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंजा कैसे होगी? एज आई टोल्ड यू कि प्रिवेंट करने के लिए यू नीड टू कीप योर सेल्फ अवे फ्रॉम पीपल, यू नीड टू बी अलोन, यू नीड टू बी वेरी हाइजेनिक. ठीक है. फॉर इन्फ्लुएंजा यू नीड टू हैव अ वैक्सीन. मोस्ट पीपल विद इन्फ्लुएंजा who are otherwise healthy do not need special drugs or vaccines. It just requires balanced diet, proper sleep, lot of fluids, healthy diet, antiviral drugs, antiviral treatment for 3 to 5 days, and that's it. Coughs and colds is the next disease. Coughs and colds, for symptoms for coughs and colds are coughing together with runny nose are signs that you have a cold. ठीक है. Causes are, we all know that कि usually जो respiratory tract की diseases होती हैं either they are viral or they are bacterial. ठीक है. तो coughs and colds is definitely a viral disease. It is caused by a certain virus जो हमारी बेसिकली जो हमारी रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक की लाइनिंग है वो उसको डैमेज करता है, उसको इन्वेड करता है. और जब वो लाइनिंग डैमेज हो जाती है तो इट डज़ नॉट फंक्शन प्रॉपरली. और जब वो फंक्शन नहीं करती प्रॉपरली तो यू गेट सोर थ्रॉट, रनी नोज, एंड दीज आर दी सिम्टम्स. सो फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट देयर इज़ नो प्रॉपर मेडिकेशन फॉर फ्लू. आपने कभी भी ये नहीं देखा होगा up till now yet we don't have any proper medication for flu. जब भी आप flu के लिए we go to the doctor, they give us Panadol and एंटी एलर्जीज। तो एंटी एलर्जीज बेसिकली क्या करती हैं, जो एक्सटर्नल स्टिमुलेंट्स होते हैं उनको उनसे हमें प्रिवेंट करती हैं और हमारे फ्लू को कर्ब करती हैं। दे कंट्रोल आवर फ्लू, कर्ब्स आवर फ्लू। ठीक है। सिम्टम्स एंड कॉजेज ऑफ एस्थमा। अ थर्ड डिजीज इज एस्थमा। Now, what are the symptoms of asthma? Labored breathing, wheezing, sleeping problems, chest pain, feeling tired, common cold, allergies, and frequent coughing. Achha, now what causes asthma? Asthma, basically asthma is at times it is genetic and at times it is caused by environmental symptoms. तो जो environmental हमारे as I told you stimulants हैं, that is pollution, smoking, household chemicals, genetic, fatty food, dust, pests, and bacteria and viruses. They cause asthma. For the cure of asthma, there are drugs and there is a pump has medicine inside it. You need to inhale it, so it will make your muscles of lungs better. Now coming towards smoking. Smoking is done with tobacco. ठीक है? Tobacco is very dangerous. Tobacco contains tar, nicotine, carbon dioxide, and other harmful materials. Tobacco is addictive and speeds up the heartbeat. It narrows the arteries of your heart, so causing high blood pressure. ठीक है? A smoker is 14 times more likely to die from lung cancer than a non-smoker. मतलब smokers are at high risk of getting lung cancers. There are various diseases which can be caused by smoking. They are chronic diseases. ठीक है? First of all, you'll get stroke in the brain. On the left hand side of your slide, you can see the parts of your body are mentioned, and on the right side diseases regarding them are mentioned. ठीक है? तो stroke, blindness, gum infection, aortic rupture, heart diseases, pneumonia, hindering of arteries, chronic lung diseases, asthma, reduced fertility, and hip fracture. Chronic lung diseases and asthma, it definitely occurs with tobacco and it is very dangerous क्योंकि जो आपका tobacco smoke है, it goes through your mouth and it damages throughout your entire body. तो ये आपकी body को कहीं ना कहीं affect करता है. But somehow क्योंकि we are breathing in, तो we are at high risk of getting lung cancer and diseases regarding our respiratory tract, क्योंकि ये highly आपके respiratory tract को affect करता है क्योंकि you are breathing it in, तो वो उसकी lining तो damage कर ही रहा है. लेकिन with the damaging of the lining of respiratory tract, you are more likely to get other diseases with smoking. Okay, before summarizing this lecture, I would like to tell you all that many of the students have written summary in your copies, in your copywork. Please don't write it in your copy. It is just for your understanding. It is just to make it clear to you कि हमने इस lecture के अंदर क्या पढ़ा है. You don't need to write it in your copy, please. I don't want to see now such copies जिसके अंदर summary copy में लिखी हुई हो. अच्छा, secondly, make sure to write your and fill your index properly with date on whatever date, as you are not regular in school. So on whatever date we are giving you this lecture is being reached to you. Write down the date and on what date you are doing it. Okay, and please don't make spelling mistakes. I have seen a lot of you making silly spelling mistakes in your copy. Everything is written in the slides. Obviously the work is provided on Microsoft Word, so everything is written over there. You are not in a hurry or in a rush कि आप जल्दी जल्दी काम कर रहे हैं and with a lot of spelling mistakes. Looking at untidy copies is very hectic, so please make sure to do not repeat spelling mistakes and write very properly and consciously. Do very neat and clean work. ठीक है? These are your instructions for your copywork, and we will soon be providing you copywork of this chapter. Acha, now summarizing this video, we recall from the previous video actually, कि हमने how do we breathe, how our diaphragms work, inhalation, exhalation process. We discussed various diseases of respiratory system, their causes, symptoms, and treatment. We discussed the composition of cigarette and how it risks our life with fatal diseases. Thank you.